The individual born on this date is chatty, quick-witted, self-expressive, imaginative, and approachable. This combination typically produces people who are inspired to use their energies and talents in the service of a higher purpose, such as political or social cause, philosophy, education, the arts, family, or religion. While you are sensitive to everything going on around you, your rationality keeps you from over dramatizing situations. You may be ambitious for material success, but you are also extremely idealistic and determined to accomplish things that will make a difference in the life of others. Since you have the easygoing twins facilities with words, you are not as vulnerable to emotional overload as most other crowd. You are willing to discuss your own feelings and ideas, and you encourage other people to share their thoughts and emotions with you. As a result, you are able to respond to their problems with insightful feedback and helpful solutions. The Cancer Gemini mix of curiosity and prodigious memory make you a natural student and a wonderful teacher. This combination of intellect, imagination, and creativity produces many successful writers, artists, musicians, educators, and politicians. In a love union, you are romantic without being sentimental. Although you make a caring, affectionate partner, you are unwilling to forego friendship and companionship in favor of moonlight and roses. Without mental affinity and common interest, you may become bored and lose interest in the relationship.